loves, welcome back to the channel. This is Tanisha. In case you're watching me for the very first time, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel. You can also find me on my Instagram account. I post a lot of hair care videos and stuff like that over there as well. Right now it was so impromptu, like मैंने just shampoo किया and फिर मैं बाहर निकली और मुझे लगा कि I should film it right now so that I can show you कि मैं क्या क्या करती हूँ, कैसे होता है. This video is going to be all about the range of the affordable products that you can use for your hair to get like a very nice finished hair. It is going to be 5 to 6 products that I'm going to just talk to you guys about today, but it's going to be very affordable and it's going to be a lot of fun. So let's just get started. So starting up with a very important thing, which is going to be the shower routine. I use this shampoo. This is the shampoo from L'Oreal. It is the L'Oreal Paris Dream Length Restoring Shampoo. It has vegetal keratin and also castor oil, which is so good for your hair. And also the L'Oreal variant of Extraordinary Clay wala jo variant hai, the blue color bottle, that is also really nice. Like affordable option mein mujhe L'Oreal ka range kafi zyada pasand hai. Even Tresemme was good and I used to use Tresemme ka keratin smooth very long back, but I have seen that it has very strong chemicals. Like I've heard about it from quite a lot of people. I feel like that is not the best options for you guys. Well, it's like a 200 ml bottle that you get just for 179 rupees, which is a very good price. So I shampoo first, and then what I do is occasionally, not every week, but once in every 2 to 3 weeks, what I like to do is I like to use hair mask. This is the hair mask from Plum, which is Plum's avocado hair mask, which I have been sticking to from quite a long time. I have also tried out the Dove ka hair mask. That is also very good. Like it's also even more affordable option for the hair mask. It does not do a very drastic change or something like that, but instantly on the day when you have applied this hair mask, you will definitely feel a change in the texture. And I've applied this hair mask for about 20 minutes, and I just apply it in the lower ends of my hair. Do not apply it on the scalp, guys. You are not supposed to apply mask on your scalp. I think so the Dove one is more affordable, so you can first try that one if you want to get started with the hair mask thing. And then I follow up with a conditioner. So this is the conditioner that I use, which is from L'Oreal. So I told you that I got both of these together. So the L'Oreal range for shampoo and conditioner is something that I always follow. Apart from L'Oreal Clinic Plus and Sunsilk and all of that, and Pantene and all of that, I am not very much of a big fan of those. Like बचपन में कभी मैंने वो सब लगाया था and उस टाइम हमें कोई knowledge नहीं थी, जो था वो use कर लेते थे, but I don't think so they are like that good. Now what I like to do when I get out of the shower, I take some time, I change my clothes and everything, and by that time the hair is pretty much damp itself. And then what I do is I first apply a serum. Okay, and you guys again know it is not sponsored or anything like that, but मैं बार-बार L'Oreal का बोल रही हूँ. But you guys must have heard of L'Oreal Extraordinary Serum. There is also this L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil, only oil, not Extraordinary Serum. So this is a very non-sticky formulation of the oil. So what happened कि मैं वो serum तो use किया ही है मैंने वो, but I wanted to refill it up and गलती से Amazon से मैंने actually Extraordinary Oil मंगवा लिया. Okay, but when I started using this one, OMG, it freaking makes a difference. It is kind of an oil. You can use it before you shampoo your hair also, but you can use it afterwards as well, in the ends of your hair or in the top portion of your hair for the flyaways and everything. So literally this works like a serum itself. I mean, definitely serum has its own quality and properties to do stuff, but this oil can also work really well for the flyaways thing. Next up, what I do is, since I usually style my hair for shoot and all of that, and I think so thoda bahut straightening वगैरह तो सब करते ही हैं, is this heat protectant spray. Heat protectant spray can also be applied in the dry hair just before you are going to, you know, straighten your hair and everything. But I think so damp hair में ना काफी properly वो hold कर लेता है प्रोडक्ट को. सो डैम्प हेयर में भी आप एक बार लगा लोगे तो बेटर रहेगा. So this is the one from Bee Blunt, which is this hot shot. You guys must have heard about it. This is for all hair types and it's worked really well. It kind of creates a shield on your hair ताकि जब आप heat use करते हो from straightener or from curler or something like that, then the level of damage to your hair is reduced. Price I think so 500 के अंदर ही आपको आराम से ये मिल जाएगा on Amazon. And then lastly, now that my hair is air dried, I have used the straightener or whatever curler or जो भी मुझे हेयर स्टाइल करनी है, उसके बाद जो लास्ट प्रोडक्ट आई अप्लाई is going to be this one. This is Gat's based product. This is like a unisex product. This is again something that I just like ordered to try it out. This is level 5 extreme hold hairspray which maintains like a solid style in your hair. So what I like to do is sometimes ना मुझे कभी-कभी ऐसे एकदम sleek ponytails करनी होती है या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा flyaways कहीं हो रहा होता है, तो what I do is I take a hair brush और I take a hair like a comb, like a जो पतला comb आता है ना, वो पतले comb को मैं use करती हूँ and I just spray it on the brush. I do not spray it directly on my hair, so I spray it on the brush and then वो brush को मैं एक बार ऐसे बाल में चला लेती हूँ. So that actually gives such a nice sleek look also and it kind of holds the hair very properly also. इसका hold actually बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है and also I have a lot of baby hair, so ये baby hairs को style करने में तो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा काम आता है. काफ़ी देर तक hold करके रखता है. मेरे baby hairs कभी भी बाहर नहीं आता है if I'm using this one to hold it. Such a cheap product, I can't even tell you. ये शायद 156 159 का ऐसा कुछ तो मिलता है, बट ये इतना सारा प्रोडक्ट, इट्स अ ह्यूज बॉटल. सारे ही प्रोडक्ट्स के लिंक नीचे दिए हुए हैं in the description box, so you can click those and definitely use it for yourself and you are going to love it. That is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So I will see you until next time. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.